Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an amended tax return. First, log into the KRA tax portal using your KRA PIN and password. Navigate to the Returns menu and select File, Amended Return. This option allows you to correct any mistakes or omissions from your original submission. It's crucial to have all your updated financial information at hand to ensure accuracy. Once you've selected File Amended Return, choose the type of tax and the period you wish to amend. The system will then display your original return. Go through each section meticulously, correcting any errors. For instance, if you misreported income, update the relevant income fields. Remember, accuracy is key to avoid future issues with the Kenya Revenue Authority. After making all necessary corrections, thoroughly review your amended return. The iTax system will automatically recalculate your tax liability or any potential refund based on the changes. Once you are confident everything is correct, click Submit. You will receive an acknowledgement receipt, which you should save for your records. This confirms your amended return has been successfully filed. It's important to file an amended return as soon as you identify an error. Delays could lead to penalties or interest charges on any underpaid tax. If your amendment results in additional tax due, ensure you pay it promptly. For complex situations or substantial changes, consider seeking advice from a qualified tax professional to ensure compliance with KRA regulations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.